Well, lovely day, so we thought we'd come back to Penmon Point for the, well, we'll stay overnight, go back tomorrow afternoon. We're going to go and sit down on the beach, just have a watch, and I'm going to stick my GoPro under the water and see what we can see. Well, it was a good half hour scrambling around the rock pools, looking for anything I can film. What a lovely day, sitting on the beach, man. Sunshine and blue skies.
The mountains over there look incredible, don't they?
Yeah. Gorgeous place. Hungry then?
You're always hungry.
It's tea time.
No, we've just had lunch.
What's hours ago?
I'll make tea and then we'll have a fire after. Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll sit outside. You can have your beer, I'll have my blackcurrant. Oh no, I forgot my blackcurrant juice. I'll have some of your crappy lemon.
Right, I'll have my beer. What a place, and no one here. About 10 cars in the car park and they're all on the other side. We have this side to ourselves. Stunning. Well, we've come back from photographing our underwater adventures. We're just chilling in the sun. Lovely. It's too hot to sit in the van, which is the first time I've said that for ages. We're opening windows and things, it was that hot. There's Kaz enjoying the sun. We turn around and you've got all that amazing beauty. This is one of my favourite places, this.